Hello guys and welcome to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete your Facebook account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your mobile. Now visit the hamburger menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon below it. Simply tap on it, which is Settings and Privacy for Facebook. Tap on Account Center, scroll and you'll be able to see personal details. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see an option that reads Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. You'll be redirected to this page. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account that you'd like to delete. Now you'll be given with two options, either to deactivate your account or delete your account. So if you delete your account will be permanently deleted after a certain time limit and you will no longer be able to access the information. However, if you deactivate your account, your profile will be deactivated, but you can still log into your account anytime you want and it will be reactivated instantly. So if you want to delete your account, simply select the second option and tap on continue. Now, if you have any Facebook profiles that are linked to you or your pages that are linked to you, they will also be deleted. So if you want them deleted as well, tap on continue. Select the reason why you would like to delete your Facebook account and tap on continue. Now tap on continue. After that, it will show you an option to deactivate your account to make sure that you know that your account will be deleted permanently and all your information posts on your account will also be deleted. So if you are sure you want to permanently delete your account, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll be able to see the continue button. Tap on it. Now enter your account's password. After that, tap on continue. If you tap on the delete account that appears on the bottom of your screen, your account will be permanently deleted after a month. So if you want to proceed, you simply tap on the delete account. However, if you're unsure, you can go back, and to go back you can simply tap on the cancel option. However, once you tap on the delete account button, you'll still be able to log in for the 30 days to cancel your deletion of your account. Else you simply wait for 30 days and your account will be permanently deleted, including all your posts, your videos, your photos shared on Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.